Hello YouTube, just a quick little conversation, vlog, whatever you want to call it, about where I am headed right now. My bike is loaded. I am heading up to Wellsboro, PA to go see some rally racing. But first I am hooking up with some buddies of mine. So I'm guessing when I get there, they are going to be there. And this is our little ADVs, so I'm on my my adventure bike. So we're coming up right here to this BMW dealer, and I'm going to have to pull a Yui in the parking lot. There they are. Not a Yui in the parking lot, in the road. The road, not the parking lot. I don't see them here yet. Oh yeah, there they are. These rookies pulling in straight. Alright, YouTube, how are you? So we just got done, and so check out this Subaru right here. So we just got done watching some rally races up here in Wellsboro, PA, and I will cut in some footage of the races themselves. I got some film of one of the spectator spots where you can watch the races, and I'll cut that in just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about in case you don't have any idea what the rally races are. I got some dirt riding in, and I'll post in some footage of that as well. Right now we are heading back to our campsite. So ahead of me, right here in front of me, is my buddy Chad. He is on a 2013 Ducati Multistrada. And in front of Chad is my buddy Nate, and he is riding a 2015 BMW GS 1200R. Now we're just kind of cruising back, and this is kind of a fun road, so I figured I would give some view of this road. as we head back to the campsite. And I might talk a little bit about camping on a motorcycle in a future vlog, because next weekend we're doing another event. It is called Alt-Rider Conserve the Ride, where we are going to be doing a weekend full of dirt riding. It'll be my first real intense dirt riding event, and I'm pretty stoked for it, just given what this weekend was. I've done a little bit of dirt riding on this bike, on my 2014 V-Strom, but not a whole lot. So today was fantastic. I love it. Made me super excited for this upcoming weekend and the Alt-Rider event. And I'll definitely have some footage of that coming up as well. So all in all, I don't have a whole lot to talk about. Just kind of sit back, enjoy the ride, and check out what northern Pennsylvania looks like. Some fantastic views coming your way. Take care, YouTube, and enjoy the show. All right, we are on some dirt.